Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. I am Malik Bashir and I am working as a software engineer. Today we are going to discuss about the GitHub Copilot and you all saw the title of today video. So let's go into the video. Everyone know about the GitHub, right? So this is the website of the GitHub. Just create your account, just sign up with your Google account and you can work with GitHub. So in this video we are discussing about or we are going to learn about the GitHub Copilot. So that also very simple. Just we have to link with the GitHub through the VS Studio. I will show you in the later. So this is the official website of the GitHub. You can check out later. The Visual Editor or VS Code, which is introduced by the Microsoft. So in this Visual Studio, we are going to see how to install GitHub Copilot and how we can use that. It's a very simple steps. Just we have to go. So in VS Code, in the extension section, just search GitHub. We can see the GitHub Copilot. I am already installed, so it is showing already installed. So I am already installed. So if you didn't install means it will show the button install. So just click on install. After installation, we can see a GitHub logo at the bottom side here on the bottom corner side. So when we click on this icon, it will show a login. Click on that icon, it will show the sign up warning. So just click on the sign up or sign in. It will navigate to the main page of the GitHub. Just enter your credentials like username and password and you are done. You are good to use the GitHub Copilot. So here we can see that we can see that the Copilot uses like inline suggestion, chat messages, all files, next edit suggestions. All these elements I will explain in the further. Now we will see the simple program in browser like first problem of code, and obviously we know that the two sum. So let's solve the two sum in VS Code using Copilot. So for that, just create a file like two sum, and here programming language is your wish. So I am taking C++. So when I hit the enter button, like after creating the file, here you can see that generate code Control I or select a language Control plus K or start typing to dismiss or don't show this again. I will explain you later. Before that, I want to tell you this one. Here we can see that here is the next edit suggestion. I mean here inline suggestions. You can see, right? I will explain what is this mean. So I will show you one example. In every programming language like C or C++, we are going to use header files like hash include. In C, we prefer for hash include stdio.h, and you all are learning btech engineering life. So in this language C++, we are going to use hash include IO stream, hash include vector, and hash include and blah blah blah. For but there is one header file which all these comes under that one header file, that is hash include bits slash stdc++.h. Okay, cool. And here just observe that after completing the hash include header file, I didn't write anything, but the Copilot is suggesting me that what is the next line you can write. So that it is suggesting me what is the next line you can write. So like it is suggesting that using namespace std. So I am using that. Full stop. And when I hit the enter button, it again suggesting me class solution. So without typing all the suggestion, I am just hitting the tab button. So just hit the tab button, it will enter automatically. And next I am hitting the enter and tab, and boom, you can see that just one click, one tab click, you can write the entire program of to some problem in within seconds. That is the power of the Copilot. Is called as the inline suggestion, right? You got it right. And next we can see that another approach of Copilot. Now I am just removing all this code. Okay, control plus, I'm just entering control plus I. Yeah, here it is telling that generate code. Like I am just typing in simple language. If you know prompt engineering, you can write in professional, but I am just using simple language. Just head you write to some problem in C++ or CPP. Just enter the enter button, and it is analyzing, and boom, here we can see the C++ to some program. But here it is using the another approach, like it is using the map vector. Now there is another command, like another key, like control shift I. Boom, here we can see that a like window or dialog box is open on the left side of your screen. On the bottom we can see that describe what to build next. So I am just entering the prompt. Hey dude, write the to some problem in C++. Just enter the hit button. And one more thing, we can see that here. Yeah, here we can see that it is suggesting which model we can select, like cloud, GPT-4, GPT-4o, GPT-5 mini. I am just prefer the GPT-4o. Wait for few seconds, it will analyze and it will generate the code. And yeah, boom, Just we can see that within one click it is write the entire program. Here we can see that. And this is the another approach of using Copilot in your VS Code. uh, while when we want to work with development, for that also we are going to use Copilot, like I will show you. For that, just create another folder like web. Just create a folder. I will show you the magic. Now I am going to take any sample example like UI, like login page, login page design. uh, uh, we'll take it this way. So just take a screenshot of this. Yes, I am done with the screenshot. Now get back to the VS Code. In this, just Control V. It will paste the screenshot of whatever you are taken. And here I will give you the prompt. Like, hey dude, generate the HTML and CSS files and code for the above screenshot. That's it. And use the folder which I had created, web. That's it. Hit the enter button. So just wait for few seconds. It will work on that, and it will analyze, and it will generate the code. Here we can see that I have created the web folder and added the necessary files like HTML contains the structure for the login page, CSS style for the login page, and so on. So here we can see that. Here it wrote the all the UI requires, which is I provide in the screenshot. And this is the CSS. Just hit the key, and this one just ignore it. So come to the HTML and click on go live. Yeah, boom. Here we can see that the same exact page which I had given to the Copilot, it created for me to the same UI. Yes, I forgot to tell something. Like this is a limited prompts. Like we can see here, this is the chat messages which we are using for to give the prompt, and this is the inline suggestions. So this is the when we are completed with the credentials, it won't give the further prompts to work with the Copilot. But we can get this Copilot Pro for free if you are a student. It will provide a subscription for the students. So you just go to the YouTube and just watch the how to get a student package in GitHub. So it will explain in detail. Just go through it, and subscribe with the student if you are a student, and you will get the unlimited Copilot edition. So okay, now we will learn some advanced in this Copilot. So just now we just we just write a small simple program and shift hash, it will show the what are the files in your workspace. Like just now in this workplace I have files like index.html, style.css, tosum.cpp, like that. What are the files in your workspace? It will show all the files in this list. So from that we can select what are the files you required to complete that task. So just enter shift hash, that's it. Just select which file you require, and there is a one more shortcut. Here we can see that this link button, so click on that. Here also there is a lot of options it will provide the Copilot, like open editor, file, folders, related files, instructions, screenshot window, and so on. From this also we can select the files and folders which are related to the task, and that's it. So now we can, so we work together with the both files, and we can give the prompt like hey dude, I had provided you the HTML and CSS file, so upgrade the UI design and add some gradient colors and some animation to the login page. That's it. Enter. So the Copilot will use both the HTML and CSS file, and it will complete the task. Only will write and it will edit and it will save it. You just have to recheck it. Yeah, that's it. I didn't touch anything, just the Copilot had done its work. Now we will see the output. Yeah, boom. So here it adds some gradient colors, and when I refresh, animation. Cool. And I think yeah, I think I am done. And one more thing, I have to suggestion. I want to give you a suggestion like this is one dev class is there here. I just highlighted it, and it is showing that pin selection to current chart prompt. Like you enter after selecting the dev tab, you just hit the Control I. It will provide the Copilot to enter the prompt, like modify selected code. And this is also one more feature in Copilot. This also it will helpful.